Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share it to you on how you can check or how to check your Windows edition on your Windows if you are in a Windows Home or Windows Pro, and then also what version of Windows do you have. So let's go quick into the process. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Control Panel. Click on Control Panel under the Best Match. You need to view this into large icons. If this is viewed by category, change to large icons. Then you will find System. Click on that. And you will be directed to the settings window. Now simply scroll down. And here you go. You'll find your Windows specifications. So here you'll find your Windows edition. So my Windows edition is Windows 11 Home Single Language. And my Windows version is 24H2. This was installed on December 5, 2024. I also have here the OS build, the experience, and I also have here my device specifications. The device name, processor, installed RAM, device ID, product ID, system type, and the pen and touch. So that's it. That's how you can easily find your Windows edition. You can also directly click on the start button and click on settings. Click on system and then scroll down to the bottom and you'll find about. And there you go, you'll find your Windows specifications, your Windows edition, and your Windows version. So that's it. I hope this helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.